How to factory reset in Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to factory reset Windows 11 on PC. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Click the search icon at bottom left corner of the screen and search for settings. Once you get access to the settings section, on the left panel you will get different options. Simply click on System. When the System section opens, you have to scroll down and select Recovery. Double click on it, and on the Recovery section, you need to click Reset this PC option and click the Reset PC button at bottom right corner of the screen. Then a window appears where you have to choose an option between Keep My Files or Remove Everything. If you think that if you don't have any important files, simply click Remove Everything, or you can click Keep My Files. Once you wait for a second, again you'd like to reinstall Windows, it has been asked in this way, simply select Cloud Download, or you can choose between the local reinstall. Once you have chosen, then here you need to go to the additional settings, that is current settings, and if you'd like to change settings you can go through it. After that, click on the next button, and after following the on-screen prompts you can easily reset this PC. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.